Hi everybody, just want to give a quick review and demo of this compressed air duster that I received recently with LED display. I have a lot of electronics that I clean on a regular basis, including desktop computers, laptops, motors, and even my car. And this can be used for all of that, and it's super efficient. Let's show you how it works. And so I just unboxed this. It comes with a brush head and then 4 different nozzles here. Let's put the longest one on first. And you can see that you just secure it on very easily. There is a trigger button right here on the front, and on the back you'll see a little USB-C port, and that is how you charge this device. It can function for up to 100 minutes upon being fully charged. And this is powerful. It has 3 different speeds. I like that, and I love the LED display, which I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to turn this thing on. You turn it on by holding this trigger button right here. Just hold it down, and it starts up. So this is speed number 1 right here, and that's already giving off quite a bit of air. Very powerful. I can feel it right now against my hand, and that's going to be very effective at removing dust and dirt. It shows the speed, and it also shows your battery life. So you'll see that it's at 72% currently, and it will let you know when it's time to charge it up again. Let's go to a higher speed, and I do that by pressing this again. So that is speed number 2, and let's go to speed number 3. Very powerful. That's going to get a lot of that debris in difficult to reach areas without a problem. Okay, by pressing again, it goes to 0, and then if I hold it down, that is actually going to turn this off. So just by changing it out, I will remove that nozzle, and let's say I did want to use a brush for any particular reason. I just secure that on there. And we go through the same process again. And then you have your brush attachment with the air coming out through the bristles. And that's level 3. And now we're going to turn that off. Okay, so what we're going to do now is a little demo, because I have several things to clean around here, and I'll show you how it works. Okay, we're all set to do some cleaning here. You'll notice I added the medium-sized nozzle, and let's get started. So we're getting inside that fan very easily. There's dust that builds up right here. I'm gonna turn it to a higher setting. Get some of that extra dust off the electronics here. Tends to build up here as well. Has a good grip, easy to use. And has a nice long battery life. And we're going to take care of this keyboard. Really important to keep your keyboard dust free. I love that I don't have to use canned air anymore, and the LED display is very cool. Lets me know the speed and when it's time to recharge. Great product. Thanks for watching.